In this video, I'm going to show how to use SSH client putty to connect to red HPC. You can find putty in the official website called putty.org. Let's go to web browser. In the Google, you can type in putty download. Okay, this is the one, putty.org, that is official download web page. So click this one. You will find the download putty. Click here, and there are so many different download links, and which one you are going to select. First, you need to find out what is your operating system. For example, go to your Windows Explorer, right click My Computer, go to Property. From here, you will see how many bits your operating system. In my case, I have this 64-bit Windows 10, so you know we are going to need download the 64-bit. The first block is a MSI file, that Windows installer. Actually, I prefer this exe file, so I recommended use this one, the exe file. So let's click it to download it. It's very small, very quickly. Let's open it in my download folder. I copy this one, paste it into my desktop, and then you double click so you can set it up. The host name is red.lamar.edu. The port number is 22. I gave a name, so you can save this one for easy to open next time. There are several configuration can be done. The first one, we can make a little bit bigger, 30 rows, and the color, select the system color. So in that way, the background is white background. Otherwise, it's going to be the black background. Sometimes it's hard to read. I think that's it. Click Save. Let's try. So open. You see here, if I try, so we are logged in. This is only you can access from the campus network. If you're outside the campus, you have to use the VPN, use two-factor authentication, and you have to use the cell phone to get a code, whatever, for the security reason. This is in campus. You can, after you authenticate it, it's in the login node. Okay, this is a home directory. That is place you can save your file and to make a edit. But when you submit your file, you have to go to the master node to submit your job. I'm stopping at here. Next video, I'm going to show what is the software, how can you use the environment, that kind of stuff. Okay, thank you very much. See you next time.